In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open System32 in Command Prompt on Windows 10 or 11. This process is straightforward and should take around 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access the Command Prompt, a versatile tool that allows users to execute commands and perform advanced administrative functions. To get started, we'll initiate the Command Prompt by using a keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key, typically found at the bottom left of your keyboard, along with the R key. This action opens the Run dialog box, a useful feature that allows you to open programs and files directly by typing their respective commands. Once you have the dialog box open, type in CMD without the quotes. This shorthand command will instruct your operating system to open the command prompt. Hit Enter, and you'll see a new window pop up, featuring a black screen with a blinking cursor. This is your command line interface, ready and waiting for the next steps. Now that we have the command prompt open, we'll navigate to the System32 directory. This directory houses essential system files needed for the Windows operating system to function properly. It's important to handle this folder with caution, as changes here can affect your computer's performance. To navigate to System32, type CD, followed by a space, and then the path to the folder. Windows, System32. Making sure to use the backslashes in the path. Type it slowly and carefully to avoid any errors, and then press Enter. After pressing Enter, you've successfully moved into the System32 folder. Congratulations, you're now inside this critical directory. Within this folder, you have access to a multitude of system files and executables. This is where you can run various commands and access tools like the Task Manager or Control Panel, among other system utilities. Keep in mind that while it's exciting to have access to these powerful tools, it's crucial to only execute commands you're sure about to prevent any unintended system changes. And there you have it. You've opened and navigated to the System32 directory using the command prompt on your Windows 10 or 11 system. This skill can be quite useful for advanced troubleshooting and administrative tasks. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so always be cautious when working with system files. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.